Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and as promised I have some yarn to show you. The only problem I have is that I've completely covered up my neck light so that should be not fun, and I've got nowhere to put it once I show you. So basically I just wanted to show you all of the things that are selling really well in my shop. So the best sellers so far, as so to speak, but there's lots and lots of yummy yarn to show you. So obviously the thing that has sold the most are the Poundland boxes, mystery boxes full of Poundland yarns. I've managed to get hold of some really nice ones recently, and fill them up with kind of so they're not all solid colours, but occasionally I'll put some solid colours in if I do. Try and make it the Aran ones as much as I can. But so I've managed to get hold of some of the good favourite Poundland yarns, and I've been popping those in the mystery boxes, closely followed by the Aldi mystery boxes, which are not all fleecy yarns. There's been some just normal DK. There's been some of this chenille super kind of chunky. There's been boucle yarn. There's been some fluffy kind of baby yarns. There's been all sorts in the Aldi mystery boxes that I've been getting over the years. So that brings me to the other bestseller, which is the normal mystery box, which is full of other yarns that you know, all the brands that you've seen me bring to you from time to time. They're just so the actual orders of yarn then, the biggest seller so far is, I'll get to that in a minute, but more recently has been the Retwist t-shirt yarn, and it comes in this big cake of t-shirt yarn. Now they say that they on their website, it says that they're between 650 to 750 grams, so they are quite hefty, and they're really nice. So I've got a variety of colours. I call this one mid blue. It's not as light as it looks when you bring it over here. I'd say it's more of a denim, but I've only got a couple to show you because they are big and sizable and heavy. And this is the navy blue. This is really dark. I do have a black, but this one is actually a navy blue. You can't really see that so well because it's kind of like an Oxford blue, you know, the old Oxford University uniform blue. So the biggest seller I can't get my hands on at the moment, but this one is a very close second to it, and that is the Signet Boho Spirit. This has been extremely popular. Now this is called Moonbeam. It's a DK weight. Oh, is it an Aran? Actually, it might be an Aran. Let me look. Got a feeling it's a 4 weight on the Boho Spirit. I will find my neck light soon because it's underneath this stuff. Yeah, I want to say it's a 4 weight. Of course I can't see it so well on here, but I believe it is 4 weight. The same as the and it reminds me a lot of Red Heart Unforgettable. Absolutely. Look at this, look at that one. Isn't that just gorgeous? So this is Moonbeam, and this one is called, I think it's, yeah, India. But look at those colours. Isn't that just absolutely stunning? So I'm going to put this back in this box because I want to keep these really nice, and I don't want them to sort of start unraveling. This one's called Festival, and it's all the colours that you'd expect to see at a festival. And then there's, I'm going to put those in there, but believe it or not, this one is the most popular colour. It's called Breeze, and I guess they're beautiful light summery colours. That's Breeze. And this one is, I want to say, oh, it's Festival. Was the other one not Festival? Thought it was. India. Ah, hang on. maybe I picked up 2 festivals because they look different. They look a lot different, but it's just a different part of the band, wind, I guess. But yeah, that's festival as well. And then we have this one, which is just beautiful. Look at those colours. And this one is cosmic. All the colours of the cosmos. And this one, wow, look at that. This is Zest. I know because I made a skirt with it. Absolutely gorgeous. That was Zest. And this one I think is called Harmony. But it's beautiful. Look at that. Now I thought this one would be the one that was the biggest seller out of the lot. But no, Breeze has overtook it for now. This is the actual, my hair's a bit of a mess, sorry guys. This is the actual best seller so far. Underwater Rainbow. And I guess it's because it is my favourite, so I've showed it to you rather a lot. This one's in a bit of a state of undress because I got this one off of my shelf. It's actually my one. But yeah, Underwater Rainbow by Starcraft Cabaret. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So there's one in a bit of a better state of dress than this one. But look at that, it's just my favourite yarn. But that colour and this one have been kind of the most popular. So Underwater Rainbow, and this one is called Turtle Dove. Turtle Dove. And that's been very popular as well, Turtle Dove. I guess again, light summery colours. It's going to fall on me, I know it. But this one as well has been quite popular. And as again, it was mine, so it's a bit off of my shelf, so been a bit bedraggled because it's been in and out, in and out, in and out. This one is called Golden Sunset, and it's just beautiful. So those 3 colours in that one have been the most popular. What else? What else? Unbelievably, not unbelievably, it's a beautiful yarn, but I didn't expect it. This one has been really popular, and that is the King Cole Fjord, and this colour Sortland. It has a really beautiful feeling of cotton, even though it isn't, but it does feel like it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The King Cole Fjord. Got lots of this, and there's a few other colours that I have to show you. Got this beautiful light blue one. Look at that, isn't it lovely? And that colour is, of course it's upside down, Tracy, Tromso. And I know this one is Fuchsia because it's got the fuchsia colour in it. There is another lighter pink one, but I'm not sure where that one is at the moment. That one was a giveaway, so that's how I knew where that was. And then as well this, and I'm not surprised because this is just gorgeous stuff. This is the King Cole Opium, and it's supposedly when it knits or crochets it's like lace, because you've got these big chunky fluffy bits and then these thin kind of bits. But oh, look at that orangey colour, it's just beautiful. So there's no kind of DK, Aran, whatever, just fashion yarn for these, I guess, because it is a bit difficult to give them a classification because the goalposts change throughout the yarn. Is that roving? Lemon, imaginative. This one's called Honey, but I would have just called it Tangerine. And this one is Silver, which is aptly named, but they've been equally as popular because they are really lovely, light, cottony feel, and they're gorgeous, gorgeous summery yarns. And then this one, this is the Retwist Chaney cotton cakes, and they come in such beautiful colours. I mean, look at this one. The only criticism I've got of these is when they provide you with pictures, they're like that, so you don't really see this, which to me is what sells the yarn. You know, when I'm looking at it, I don't think, oh good, it's got a green exterior. I think, wow, look at all those colours and how they go well together. So we've got this one. I still haven't found that neck light. It's here somewhere. If I were to move very carefully, this big tray, I thought I might find it, but I didn't. So I'll put that down there, and then I can move these and see if I can find the next one. There it is! Yay! Should have got it out sooner. Sorry about the hair. I've been doing the housework, it's a bit dishevelled. Could have brushed it. Story of my life that, you know, guys. So this is 80% cotton and 20% polyester. And this one is shade RCC02. I think that's beautiful. I know it's kind of greys and blacks, but and the outside, look at that, is a mixture of all of the colours that are inside it. This one is just green and white on the outside, but it's beautiful, isn't it? I love that inside part. That's gorgeous colour. RCC08. There's more. This is my favourite one. Look at that. And the outside. I just love this one. It's absolutely beautiful. Get the yarn band up the right way. Maybe not. Maybe not get it up the right way. But yeah, I love this one. It reminds me of the sun. It's just gorgeous. RCC09. And there's another one. I don't think I brought them all with me, but there's this one. That's lovely. Really, really nice. And that is RCC10. That's lovely. Right, I'm going to try not to drop these because they're quite heavy. Only because they're densely wound. And then we've got the blues. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? With that lovely grey outside. And that is RCC06. But they are lovely. And they're just so good for any projects that you want to make that are durable. And when I was talking to the rep about them, he said that if you want to make things that are going to be outside, then this is definitely the yarn to choose, because it's really durable, good for household projects, and you could make stuff that could stay outside. Obviously not in all weathers, but you know, nice durable yarn. I like that one. And then this one, the Starcraft Amore. Isn't it beautiful though? Look at that. I really like this one. I like the striping. It's just beautiful. And this has been a bit of a popular one as well. And I'm not going to be able to tell you much about this yarn band because they're those donut types, and then they don't like you to know. They just think it should be, you know. It's called Berry. I can tell you that much. Berry. I think it's Aran. Yep, it's definitely a 4-way Aran. But it's called Berry. Isn't it just gorgeous? So that's that one. And then the Jenny Watson has been very popular because it's pure merino. And it is lovely and soft. And there's lots and lots of different colours in this. And it is Jenny Watson pure merino double knitting. But I will show you that the yarn itself is not overly thin. You know, some DKs, I'm going to sneeze, guys. Hang on. Excuse me. Fibres up my nose, probably. So I've got a few to show you. I think they're all, I know they've got all the same colour, which wouldn't have been very clever of me. But, they're two different colours, I think. There you are. That's the Jenny Watson merino. There is a lot of different colours, but I don't have them with me. They're over the other yarn room. So basically, those are the yarns that have been extremely popular. Quite a surprise to me, I guess, was the Starcraft Cabaret being the most popular, but it has been. But then again, it is absolutely astonishingly beautiful, so I'm not surprised really. But I did think that maybe the cotton yarns would be the ones that overtook at the moment, but they're not. Other than that, the most popular item that I've sold so far is biscuit tea. And that's not a surprise to me either, because everybody has been interested in the biscuit tea that I drink for quite a long time. And also the jam and toast tea has been extremely popular. And the caramel tea is coming up as well. Lots of people getting hold of the caramel tea, and even the chai latte pods. Now, when I've been fulfilling my orders, I have tried where I can to pop in a little extra something, maybe a stitch marker or some little bits that I have accrued over time, where you get, you know, like a little gift given to you or something, and I just put them all in a pot, and I've been trying to put those in. So I was running very low, so I wasn't able to do it in every single parcel. So what I decided to do was buy some little stitch markers and stuff. I've got some that are coming that are little yarn balls, but these ones are butterflies. You can see them in there, little butterflies, and these ones are cats. So I've been getting various ones. So these ones are the ones you push through and then put the little cat through it, and so it secures it. These are the ones that look like the little bulldog clips that you get on your bracelets. So yeah, I've got more coming. I've just been getting lots and lots of little bits to put in as thank yous for my parcels. I have where I could before, but I kind of run out. But that's going to be remedied. So what do you think? Is there any surprises there for you? Did you imagine that it would be the underwater rainbow that would be the most popular? I've put it somewhere, haven't I? But I guess, you know, as it's my favourite, and I've shown it lots and lots and lots, and it is dreamy. I'm not surprised, but I love this one. I might try and make something out, like maybe cover my egg chair, because it's white and or cream, and it's not the best colour for a garden. So I might choose one of these colours and make myself a cover for my egg chair, which is difficult because it's shaped like that, the chair with a cushion. So I have my work cut out for me, but I think I might try and do that. So yeah, the Poundland boxes have flown out, which I didn't, you know, I knew would happen, and the Aldi ones as well. But I will just say that if anyone is planning on ordering from across the pond and getting the Poundland boxes, or the Aldi boxes and the other one, you don't have to get them all at once. A lot of people have kind of done a kind of huge order where they think it will kind of be better that way for postage, but it really isn't. There are incremental postage amounts, so it wouldn't be cheaper to do that. You know, you can, what I'm trying to say is it would be the same. So if you want to, don't have to save up and get like a huge order, you can. And I think, to be honest with you, it won't be long before I start shopping around and maybe using a carrier that might be a bit cheaper, because all they needed from me was a history, which I can now give them. So yeah, I've now got to tidy this lot up. Thank you for watching. Let me know what ones are your favourites, and what if there are any surprises there that you weren't imagining. I mean, the t-shirt yarn, I put that on yesterday and it kind of went bam. So I will get some more put on. I have got some more. I don't remember the quantities, so I didn't want to overestimate, so I thought I'd underestimate, and that way I won't have an order for something I don't have. So I will figure out how much I've got of it and get it updated. So there will be more on there soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. And I will keep you posted on the progress. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.